Hello, I'm in a 2017 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to jump start your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then on the driver's side here you should find your battery with your positive terminal here and your negative terminal here. And you can always double check on the battery as well. There'll be a plus sign and the negative sign on the actual battery. And then next I would clean up the terminals from any corrosion. So take a good brush or a rag, clean these up, and then I'd make sure they're nice and tight too, which if they are loose, just tighten these up so they're firm. And then from there, I would either use your jump box or your jumper cables, have your metal clamps, and have your positive metal clamp directly under this metal here, and then your negative metal clamp directly under the metal here with as much metal connection on each as you can. And if you're running through another vehicle, have the other vehicle all turned on, and have your positive run in directly to the positive of the other battery, and then the negative directly to the other negative, because you don't want to crisscross them by mistake, because even a few seconds of that could cause damage to your computer system, electronics, things like that. But that said, once you've got a good connection for a few minutes from the other vehicle that's turned on to this vehicle, hopefully that's enough to get you started. And if you've been trying that for quite a while without any success, you might need to replace this battery, which typically you can do then by just removing this little safety bracket here, loosen these terminals to lift them off, and then pull an old battery out, put your new battery in, and then retightening everything. But I hope that's helpful. If you have a good day.